interventions related to endoscopy. Recently we started work on benign treatment or non-surgical interventions related to stones, in gallstones and bile duct stones, which usually previously used to be treated by surgery only. So right now we are dealing with these cases without any surgical intervention. With minimal invasive surgery or without any surgery, we used to right now performing all these procedures. So all these cases which previously used to go outside for the treatment, like in other states, West Bengal or Chennai or whatever the states people are going. Right now we are dealing these cases here only. So right now all the gastroenteral part, all the things which are available here in ILS hospital, we are dealing everything which is the best possible in this segment. Beside this segment, certain malignant cases like liver cancers, colon cancers, stomach cancers, these cases we are evaluating and treating here only. So we feel that in the previous status, most of the cases which used to go outside for the treatment, for diagnostic purpose and management part. So we are dealing all these cases here, and I feel that everything which is possible in this segment, we are dealing with every segment and every possible direction in gastroenteral part. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Is there any question?
Thank you, Dr. Deswal.